Gardening friends. Today is Saturday, April 13th, 2019, and it's 6 days since I planted, and I'm going to show you our progress here. So the first 2 buckets here. Now mind you, like I said, I just planted it Saturday, so it's only been 6 days. This is our mammoth sunflowers. This is the beginning bucket of our sugar baby watermelons. Got 1, 2, 3 starting to come up, 4, 5, all of them. Okay. All right, this bucket is peppers, and I got flowers around the perimeter. The flowers are coming up. Peppers haven't come up yet. They look like they're pushing up. This is Roma tomatoes. I think there's a little bit down in there, but it's kind of hard to see. Same thing, some more Roma tomatoes. This is spaghetti squash, not peeking up just yet, but I think this is something coming up, but I don't know. It's another spaghetti squash, nothing yet. This is Swiss chard. It's starting to come up. This is spinach, and we got some little coming up on here. This is, what is it? Because my tags, as you can see, they kind of cinnamon basil, right? And then I got flowers around the perimeter, so the flowers are starting to come up. And this is the collards, and I don't see anything. Well, no, I think this is one right here. Back up here. Yeah, this is the cinnamon basil coming up, and so is this. Okay. Oh, that too. Ha ha ha. I think. Anyway, it's just been a week, and of course that's the kale from last year, and that's why I dumped all the dirt because my yard is uneven, so I'm trying to even it out. Anyway, that's the update on the garden this week. If you got any questions or comments, leave them down below, and God bless you, and y'all have a good day.